Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of the Software Spotlight series, where every week on a Thursday we introduce to you a tool, extension, software application, something that's going to help you with your day-to-day digital marketing performance. Now, today we're actually going to be debuting a new feature of Ahrefs that's just been released, and it's to do with questions, right? So questions related intent search queries. Okay, so without further ado, we're just going to go and jump straight into it. So for those who are familiar, this is the keyword explorer. So this is where you need to start with. So obviously this tool actually helps with analyzing the various benefits of each of the keywords from different angles. So say for example, we're just going to try a few different words, say on pest inspection, building inspection, and say termite inspection. Okay, so just a few keywords related to inspections. So you run it, okay, and then most of this should be quite familiar to you if you have used Ahrefs before. If you haven't, right, then we definitely recommend you to use Ahrefs. It is a great tool that we use every day in the office here. And yeah, what you see here is questions, right, on the left hand side, and what they've done is they've actually extracted various queries that relate to a question, and they've actually listed it down with the various SERPs. Now, bear in mind that some of these are still quite empty, but this tool will definitely continue to get better and better as we go ahead. That's what the team says. So, as you can see here, right, these are all the different words that people are potentially using to search. So, how much does building inspection cost? How much does building inspection cost? How much does termite inspection cost? How much is a building inspection? What does a building inspection cover? Etc. etc. Okay, so this is great from a number of angles. So first of all, right, if you're looking to create an FAQ page, right, a frequently asked questions page, then this is fantastic, right? So you can literally just look at all these questions, right, come up with an answer, and then add it to your FAQ. Okay. This can also be used to optimize existing landing pages, right? So if you find that there is a common thread of questions that are asked every time, they can use that to input into a landing page, right, to increase the relevance of that page for question-related intent. So this can also be used for your sales team. So for example, if you have all these questions, right, and you pass this on to your sales team, you can develop all the answers for it, and then that will help your sales team convert more leads into actual paying customers. Yeah, so great tool. Apparently it has been requested a lot by the community at Ahrefs, so they finally taken action, which is fantastic. So thank you so much for them. And yeah, we definitely look forward to seeing this tool evolve and get better over time. So that's it. Just a quick one in terms of keywords and question-related intent keywords, right? Have a great week. I will also just quickly let you know that we are also heading to Sydney tomorrow until the 25th. So if you're in town, do let us know. We do still have some consulting slots available, and we'll be happy to look at booking you in terms of any digital marketing advice or help that you require for your business. Cool. Thank you so much, and have a great week. Speak to you soon.